Stop buying courses and I will tell you why. In this video, I will tell you the darkest secret of course creators and how they are making you fool. Before moving on, just pause the video and write down all the courses you have bought in last 2 years. Did you got the results you desire before buying the course? A big no. Hey, this is Chiranjeevi Rathore and I help coaches and consultants to get clients using high converting content strategies. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon before proceeding so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video on the channel. In this video, I will give my honest review after investing hell lot of money on online courses and also share what you need to do to get success online. I was working in a TV industry as an assistant director in leading TV show Tenali Rama back in 2017. I suffered from a health issue back then, which made me think that I need to do something online. So I started looking for making money online and was buying every course on planet which promised me to start my online business. After investing almost more than $2,000, I realized that every course is making you overwhelmed with the information. But there is no practical application that can help you to get those results. Either you give up in between or you left the course by seeing next new opportunity, which is also called shiny object syndrome. No course is designed to give you the end result you are desiring. All these courses are designed in such a way that they will ask you to upgrade to the next level or just bombard you with lot of information and you feel like you know everything and still not getting the results. So the problem must be with you, which is absolutely wrong. I'm telling you, you are more than amazing. Buying courses after courses, registering for webinars after webinars will not help you to get that financial freedom. So just stop buying any course and focus on one thing. What is the one problem you can solve and what is the market you can solve that problem for? Work one on one with first 10 people to solve their problems and create a proven framework which can deliver the results guaranteed. Whatever skill you need to learn for that, just learn that skill, invest at the right place where you get what you want. For that, invest in somebody who has already achieved what you want to achieve. Don't fall into the trap of next recorded course or webinar which will make your life hell. Learning right skills depending on what you want to do is really important. Just stop buying courses. Start investing in personal mentorship. Hope you love the video and will not fall into the trap of online courses promising fortune but delivering shit. If you like the video, do like it and share your experience with recorded courses you have purchased so far in the comments below. Do subscribe the channel and also join my free Facebook community where I share lot of free trainings how to get clients for your coaching and consulting business. Link is in the comment section.